Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to discuss trend lines. This is going to help identify the trends when you're trading either bullish or bearish trends. Right, let's get into it. So guys, we can see that this here is an uptrend, and what we can do with this is when we're drawing a trend line, kind of keep it nice and steady. Let's not try and go too far off piece. But as you can see, price is respecting this line all the way up. This isn't a means to trade. I wouldn't say that this is a good idea to start trading off of the trend lines, because many people know, trend lines can be deceptive and you can change them depending on what you're looking for. So if we left it here, for instance, we get some touches, and it kind of moves away from the trend line. And of course, if you move it closer, you can see the same thing, but you're getting a tighter trend and it could give you false indications. So when we're looking here, we can see that this is definitely bouncing off of the trend line. It's keeping up with the current trend. And then of course, if we extend it a little bit further, it breaks and goes down, but then continues. And that's not what we're looking for. So trend is just to identify the direction, just to help, not even trade it with a trend line, just to help with the general direction if you're unsure of market structure itself. Again, we can see this coming down, then breaks and continues going up, which if we then draw here, we can see this happens, and stuff like that. So then we see that it breaks again. Then where do we draw a trend line, for instance? Do we do that? Doesn't really give us enough of a trend, definitely on the 4-hour time frame. So realistically, it's these long points here, just to identify what you're doing, where it's going. And of course, we can see that a little bit here. Again, if you draw downwards, we can see that's a downtrend is continuation, for instance. So this is how to draw and use trend lines. It's this one right here on the toolbar, and you just draw point to point to make sure you can just draw it really quickly and go, yep, that's still an uptrend. I'm going to be looking for buys only, or vice versa. If it's selling, you're looking for sales only. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care, everyone.